Right, here we are on the academic vocabulary page from the University of Nottingham. This is a resource I like a lot and I've used for many years now. Down here on the left you'll see there are a number of resources here, tests, exercises, concordances, lots of good things, but what I'm going to focus on is actually the AWL highlighter. If you're new to my site, you may not understand AWL. This is the academic word list. Put briefly, this is a list of the words that are used most commonly in academic writing. And I would suggest that these are the words that you should focus most on when you're trying to learn to write essays. Why? To me it makes sense, because what you want are the words you can use in any essay. It doesn't matter if it's an essay about gender, or if it's an essay about emigration, or an essay about employment. The academic word list words you'll be able to use those words in any essay. Let's demonstrate how this works. I'm going to paste in an essay I have written, not yet on the site. It's an essay about the lack of housing. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, there are around 900 of these academic words. List 1 is the most common, list 10 the least common. You can't learn them all at once, but you should in fact recognise most of them. I'm going to pick something in the middle, 5, and I'm going to submit. And what we see here are the words in my essay which are academic words, words which you can use and borrow in your own writing. Let's have a look at them. Identify, implement, range, issue, significant, expanding, predicting. Just looking at those words, you should see that those are words which will fit many, many different types of essays. And one very simple thing you can do is simply take one of my essays, or perhaps take one of your essays, put it into this website and see how you've done. Or there's another possibility. There's a highlighter. Here is the gap maker. Let's try the same thing again. And here you will find the same text, but this time the academic words have been taken out. And your job is simply to put those words back in. This type of gap fill exercise, most people, I guess, will be familiar with. It's a useful exercise because it gets you to think about word combinations, which words go together. So, let's look at the first gap. It is unquestionably true that the lack of accommodation is one of the most pressing problems around the world. Nice start. While it is fairly simple to the reasons behind this phenomenon, now, obviously we want a verb. What do we do with reasons? Which one of these words might be reasons? Okay, I see it. Identify. And what we do here is we learn about collocations, word combinations. We identify the reasons. As I say, I think this is a super duper website. One of those websites I think it's well worth checking out. Go and have a look at it.